Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by building a rigid rectangular frame so the net hangs true. Measure and cut the PVC to the two long and two short lengths. Use elbows and T-joints to dry fit first. Once fitted, assemble with PVC cement or tightly push-fit joints because a stiff frame prevents sagging. Make sure to leave extra pipe for feet or ground anchors. It stabilizes the structure in wind. While the frame cures, spread out the netting and examine edges for reinforced hems or loops. Next, you fasten the net to the frame so it absorbs ball impact evenly. Start at the top center and work outward. Use zip ties every 15 to 20 cm to prevent tearing. Once the top is secured, move to the sides, reinforce corners with double ties, and fold the net's edge over the pipe for a smoother load path. Then tension the net with a bungee cord across the top and stake or tie the bottom to avoid a loose belly that causes irregular rebounds. Finish by testing and tuning so the net performs like a pro net. You should throw and hit progressively harder, checking for sag, flip seams, or cut strands. If you see sag, tighten ties and add a diagonal brace or center support. If you find tears, stop and splice with twine or a patch before continued use. Once satisfied, anchor the frame against tipping and store the net dry to prevent rot. Quick tip: inspect ties after 24 hours and retention if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.